Yesterday I received information through my sources that the prostituting activities are going on near the Dana IDC in our building. Accordingly, I secured the presence of the panchas, the NGOs, and the decoy point witnesses, and I conducted a raid after the verifying through the decoy point witnesses. After confirming that the prostituting activities are going on inside, I conducted a raid with my raiding party, and we rescued one girl, native of West Bengal, and we arrested three pimps, namely Anil Kumar, Deepak Kumar, and Dinesh Sakat. Two accused, Deepak Kumar and Anil Kumar, are native of UP, and Dinesh Sakat is a native of Maharashtra. We have arrested all three pimps, and after conducting the medical examination, we have lodged the victim girl in a protective home at Mensay. We have registered a crime under crime number 156 of 20 under section 370, 370A IPC and section 34567 Indian Mode of Traffic Act 1956. The investigation of the further is this case is in progress.